Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most reliable products for you and your family. Today, we're going to talk about the Diono Radian 3R, a product we believe is the best travel car seat on the market. If you're a parent on the go, this car seat is going to be your new best friend. It's sleek, portable, and provides the best protection for your child. The Diono Radian 3R is a 3-in-1 convertible car seat that will grow with your child. It's designed to serve as a rear-facing seat, forward-facing seat, and a booster, all in one. This makes it an incredible investment because you'll only need to buy one seat that will last from the day your baby is born until they're ready for a booster at 120 pounds. Plus, it's built to accommodate children up to 57 inches tall. What makes this car seat even more remarkable is its slim fit design, which means you can fit 3 of these car seats across the backseat of most vehicles. That's right, 3. It's a perfect solution for families with multiple kids in car seats, especially if you're driving a smaller vehicle. Despite its compact design, there's absolutely no compromise when it comes to safety or comfort. The Radian 3R is engineered with a steel-reinforced frame, which offers superior side impact protection. It's not just about comfort, it's about ensuring your child's safety on every road trip. The core shell is made from high-strength automotive-grade steel, providing the kind of protection you'd expect from a top-tier car seat. The high-quality Comfort Plus memory foam ensures that your little one stays comfortable, whether you're on a short drive or a long road trip. One of the standout features of the Diono Radian 3R is its ability to fold for easy storage or travel. If you're flying with your child, this car seat is FAA approved for airline use, and it folds up compactly to fit in the overhead bin or car trunk. This feature is especially useful for families who travel often. You can take this seat anywhere without the hassle of lugging around a bulky, hard-to-carry seat. Installation is a breeze with the Super Latch system, ensuring your car seat is securely fastened in place. The seat comes with machine-washable covers, so cleaning it is effortless. The Radian 3R is engineered to make life easier for parents without sacrificing any safety or comfort for your child. Overall, if you're looking for a car seat that combines safety, comfort, and portability, the Diono Radian 3R is hard to beat. It's the ultimate travel car seat, providing everything you need for your child's safety and your peace of mind. That's it for today's review. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of the best products out there. Safe travels and happy parenting.